Welcome and thank you for joining me. Today is going to be another food video and I'm going to be showing you a very simple yet delicious instant pot cabbage soup, and I will also show you how I use my Ninja to bake a whole chicken in no time at all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't keep this video to yourself. Share with your friends. I'll be right back and we'll go through the ingredients. Thank you. Welcome back. So for your instant pot cabbage soup or cabbage soup, if you do not have instant pot, feel free to use any vegetable available to you locally, so you don't have to follow the exact ones I'm using, and feel free to use whatever ingredient and spice you have at hand. So I'm going to be using cabbage. You can use purple cabbage or whatever you have available. I'm going to be using about 1 cup of frozen sweet corn, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, 1 red onion, 1 bell pepper, 2 celery stalks, 1 leek, and over here I have butter, and here I have diced tomatoes. This is the canned ones, so you don't need to drain the water. We need some liquid in there. And here I have about 3 tablespoons chicken stock powder. If you have fresh liquid stock, feel free to use that. I don't have any fresh stock and I don't like buying stock from the store, so I'll not just use chicken stock powder. Here I have, we're going to say salt to taste, about 3 cloves of garlic, about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and here I'm going to say cayenne pepper to your taste. I have ginger powder, black pepper, oregano, Italian seasoning, and vinegar. Also, if you have fresh lime juice, you can use about 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and you can also add sage to this. So like I said, feel free to use any spice or vegetables you want. And I like to put protein in my soup, so I'm going to be using chicken in my cabbage soup. We are going to quickly bake this in the Ninja for 1 hour, so we're going to start with that. And while that is baking, we're going to prep the ingredients for the cabbage soup together. Sit back, relax. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Is preheating. You want to make sure you pat your chicken dry. You can rinse it if you are team rinse. I have rinsed mine already. Just make sure you really clean your sink really well to avoid cross contamination. I'm just wearing gloves because I'm going to be handling my veggies. I don't feel like putting my hand in the chicken, but it's not compulsory. You don't have to wear gloves. So I have patted it dry before, but I'm just showing you that the chicken has to be really dry. I have a garbage here. So I'm going to put some butter underneath the skin here in the breast, and then I'm just going to do very light seasoning with salt and black pepper. Like I said, feel free to use whatever spice you have available. So I'll just pass this spatula underneath the skin here. You can
heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta know. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? I gotta know, I gotta know. And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta know. I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
Our instant pot cabbage soup is ready. It's really delicious, and like I said, feel free to adjust the ingredients to your taste. Feel free to choose or select whatever vegetables you like. I'm just going to give this a try and see. The ingredients are so subtle, nothing is overpowering. And I've heard a little birdie say you can also use this for a detox diet or a weight loss diet. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day.